Hello everyone, thank you for watching, appreciate your time. So here we are with the '06 Ford Mustang, and it was crashed in the rear. Well, it has rear, we'll just say it has rear damage. So there's the wheel well where the spare tire goes. Significantly moved, you know, that's the low point right there. As you can see, that's pretty high. So this thing came up a lot. Possibly damaged the event lines on the bottom, as shown in the previous video. So anyway, we're going to fix it the right way. So yes, I know. I could just take a huge sledgehammer with some pieces of wood or whatever and knock it all down. Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can. Absolutely. I just like using my tools. So, make a little jig. No screws, just wood and clamps. Okay, now this is a very sensitive area. You cannot do this without putting something there. We do have the back window. You move that. You move this at all, and you're blowing that the back window. So set it up nice and tight, right? Tight and right. Got the good old Harbor Freight. All right, nice heavy duty set, porter power. All right, and as they say, and away we go. So you obviously you have your attachments, fits in perfect. You obviously go to the damaged area first. Usually, obviously the hit was from here and there. I mean, that's where it kinked. So who cares where it got hit, right? There we go. The good old pumperoo. I believe I gotta add some fluid to my pump, or get the air out, because it should be going a lot faster than that. But either way, it works. So I might stop there actually, and move myself over to here and here, get some of that going, and then I'll probably just jump on the other side and work my way in to here where it's obvious that side's fine there. So that's how we're gonna do it. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.